am Abdulaziz Albuluwi, product engineer from Zamil Air Conditioner company, from Zamil Industrial Group. Our company is one of the biggest manufacturing of AC in the Middle East, and there is since 45 years we are manufacturing and produce several kinds of AC products. As I said, that we are one of the biggest manufacturer of AC, so we appreciate in this exhibit to provide our solution for the other companies that need our products to solve their issues. I think the chance for more opportunities will be great in the next days, inshallah. It's very interesting. There is a lot of potential, let's say, customers, and inshallah, hopefully, we will provide our products for the market, and this really will help everyone for that. Alhamdulillah.